I'm Natalie Walsh. I work for AVM Impact in Sunbury, and I'm the project secretary and I support the operations director. We moved to Sunbury from the sort of Richmond area about 12 months ago, and we sort of wanted to try and improve the environment here because we're in the middle of an industrial estate, so we wanted to try and make it kind of vibrant and a bit more of a hip place to hang out. We had a few companies come in to actually look at designing the area that we had to work with, and Spectrum sort of came in with the closest I like some of the concepts that they came up with, the booths that we've sort of looked at, the furnishings. They had a really excellent design process where they actually illustrated everything. You got a really nice book, and you know, it was all in a box. It just looked really professional, and it sort of I suppose blew the competition out of the water really. And they came in very competitively with price as well. They were also really helpful with bringing some furniture samples in, which was great. So we actually had a loan of some of the chairs that we ended up picking, just to be able to have a look at them and see the quality that they were able to give us. So the whole process from when Jim first came in and talked to me about sort of some ideas and things like that, and then from them producing the design process with the book that I mentioned, went very smoothly. We had lots of changes along the way, you know, and nothing was too much trouble while we finalised the plans, because it really was a total refit. It basically went right back to the shell and we started again, so it was quite a big job, and obviously things changed along the way. The project manager that Spectrum put in place to manage the whole process, Bob, was great. His communication was brilliant, nothing was too much trouble, and he was tweaking things as he went along and highlighting any issues that came up that hadn't been anticipated. So the whole thing went quite quickly. I think we completed it in about 4 and a bit weeks, you know, and it was difficult for them because obviously there was a lot of bank holidays during that period as well. And they came in on time, which was great.
Andrew Nelson, and Corporate and Retail Sales Director. There was no disruption outside of this area, which was very important, and it was all kept clean. The area was kept clean, it was all blocked off, so there was no issues with people getting into an unsafe site, which is obviously something we need to be very concerned about in this environment. But all in all, I think it was a great job done on time, and its final appearance is fantastic.